Vishal, come on the stage. Come on, guys. Come on, put your hands together for Vishal. So, Vishal, what do you think about spoken English? Is it difficult or it's easy?
No, sir. It is easy.
It's easy.
Yes.
Okay. So, how do you practice spoken English at your home?
So I was practicing in a home to.
Look at the audience, or
Okay.
sometimes look at me.
I was practicing a home to.
Okay, look at me generally. To look at them.
I was practicing a home, trying listening, speaking, and writing.
Okay. How much time do you spend writing?
10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes.
Yes, sir. Writing.
And speaking?
10 minutes.
10 minutes every day.
Yes,
How do you talk? With whom do you talk?
Sir, I will. I was use the app.
Use an application.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Is it useful?
Yes, sir. It is useful.
Do you talk to people in English,
Yes, sir.
or you just do chatting?
No, no, sir. Not chatting. Only call.
Only call.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Do you have any surrounding? Do you have any person in your family with whom you can talk?
No, sir. No anyone.
So, what do you do? Are you working or you are a student?
I'm working, sir.
You're working.
Yes, sir.
So, what kind of atmosphere do you have in your company?
It is good, but not. It is good, but not proper to speak in English. To you-
Okay.
Yes,
Generally, people do not speak English there.
yes, sir.
No problem. You can talk to them, no matter them what they're speaking. You can keep forcing them to speak in English. Say to them, "Hey, speak English." If somebody speaks Hindi, force them to speak English. That's not going to work.
Yes, sir.
Does your boss speak English?
Yes, sir.
So why don't you talk to your boss? Go to your boss unnecessarily every day and talk to him in English. If he asks you why you always talk to him, you can say, "Sir, your English is amazing. I want to practice with you."
So I'm talking my boss. I'm talking my boss, sometime, but not regularly.
Because boss,
Boss is boss.
Boss is boss. Yes, they don't have that much time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So whenever you are free at your home and you have done your practice, after that, what do you do in your free time?
I'm practicing my. I'm free. I'm practicing my free time. Practical skills.
Practical
Skills
skills.
like web pen testing, app pen testing. I know you know about.
I don't understand
Yes, I
about
know.
pen testing.
Yes.
Okay, so you sell pens.
No, no,
manual
sir.
pen,
Web,
sell
web,
pen.
web pen testing. Web pen testing. There's a web pen testing like sir. You can browser browser YouTube browser Gmail. Yeah, browser your browser.
It's Greek to me actually. I'm not able to understand. It's okay. I don't have much knowledge of technology. It's okay. Let's jump to the next question. Okay. So, what's your dream? What do you want to do in future?
So I will become a successful person in the future.
Okay. So, you are not successful now?
At this time, it's not.
You are not.
No, sir.
Okay. So, what are you doing to become successful?
So I'm trying to my best. I'm practicing my practical knowledge and gain more skills, and then I'm trying to jump a new job, a new high pay salary.
Good. Okay. So, what do you do for entertainment? You seem very hardworking person.
I am.
Sometimes when you get bored, how do you entertain yourself? What do you do for entertainment?
Okay. I'm watching a movies, sir.
You watch movies.
Yes, sir.
So what type of movies do you watch?
Action and
Action movies.
action and comedy.
And comedy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you have any specific actor that you like very much?
Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar. Okay, so have you seen his movie, his recent movie, Jolly LLB?
Yes, sir. Jolly
Three.
LLB 3.
3? Have you
Yes.
seen that?
Yes, sir.
Did you enjoy?
Yes, sir.
Did you like it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. That's great. Okay. So anybody else except Akshay Kumar that you appreciate in Bollywood?
Sanjay Dutt.
Sanjay Dutt.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are fan of Halnayak. Okay, so you watch Bollywood movies only, or do you prefer some? What do you call them? Tollywood movies,
Sir,
South movies,
I'm always preferred Bollywood movies.
Bollywood movies. But I have heard that nobody watches Bollywood movies anymore. People just want to watch South movies.
No, sir. My opinion is I was
Like recently, a movie has been released. It's Kantara.
Kantara.
People are crazy about it.
Yes, I watched the movie.
You have watched that movie
Yes.
as well. How villa you are. He watches all the movies. Okay, so how do you watch on like mobile phone, or you go to watch
Theater.
that movie to cinema?
Cinema.
You go to cinema to watch the movies.
Yes, sir.
Very good. He's a really well person. Okay, and he has lots of money to waste as well. Nowadays, people are watching movies on mobile phones by using free applications. There are so many pirates website from where you can watch videos free of cost. In that age, you are still wasting your time. But you like big screen, I think.
Big screen and big speaker.
Big screen.
Atmosphere is
Big
like good.
speaker. Okay, all right. Okay, anyway. So, do you like to travel as well?
Yes, sir. I'm like.
Where have you visited recently?
Mm, Catchy Dham.
Kanchi Dham.
Yes, sir.
It is Bageshwar somewhere?
No. It is Nainital.
Okay, it is in Nainital,
In Nainital.
or at Nainital, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how was the experience when you went there?
There are no words to describe this place because
Okay, don't describe them.
because sir, place is
Kajal and Shivam, focus.
because this place is very spiritual and mind peaceful place and mind relaxing and anxiety to release this place.
Okay. You get kind of positive vibes there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how much time did you spend there?
4 to 5 hours
4 5 hours
in temple.
in the temple.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good, very nice. Anything else that you liked, especially if I talk about some other tourist place? Do you like any other tourist place where you want to go again, or you want to go?
Balaji.
Balaji, Mehendipur Balaji. Why? Do you have ghost inside your body?
No, sir. It is my beliefness.
It's your belief.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and why do you want to go there exactly?
Because sir, I'm
To visit the temple, or to see the people who are possessed by so many evil spirits? Spirits.
No, sir, I'm not afraid this place, but I'm relaxing this place to visit this place. I'm relaxed. I'm relaxed. Visit this place.
You feel relaxed.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been to that place before?
No, sir.
Okay, you would like to go there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you said now you feel relaxed. I said you have been there many times earlier, but you want to eat there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So, you want to become successful, as you said.
Yes, sir.
What are 2 3 things to become successful according to you?
First of all, sir, first smart hard work.
Smart hard work.
Yes, sir.
Smart work and hard work.
That's no.
Okay, all right.
Second thing, to listen anyone, and third is
Second is
listen anyone.
listen anyone.
Yes, sir.
Listen anybody.
Yes, sir.
Somebody is talking on the road, you start listening to them.
No, my means is not that.
Okay, I say I don't mean that.
I don't mean that.
Okay, he doesn't mean that. Carry on.
I don't mean that, sir. Listen anyone, but no, you are talking to
Any random guy.
any randomly. No, you listen a successful person. You can watch a podcast.
Okay. Carry on.
You can watch the podcast successful person like Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg and many person to success.
Okay, you are saying we should listen to some famous celebrities or people who are successful now.
Yes, type fine.
If you want to become successful, listen to successful people.
Yes, sir.
And what about those who failed? Should not listen to them.
No, sir. I was listening some because failure person is more understandable to feel feel the failure and to gain more knowledge.
That's what I'm saying. We should listen to both.
Yes,
Either they are successful or they are failure.
Failure.
Good. Okay, so Vishal, there's so many people in the society. You may have seen they are like selfish.
Yes, sir.
They want their own benefit. They have nothing to do with society. They have nothing to do with the other people. What kind of person are you? Are you also like them?
No, sir. I'm not selfish.
So what do you want to do for society? Once you become successful, will you do something for this society?
I'm trying to remove the first of all. I'm trying to remove the Selfness, selfish.
Selfishness.
Yes, sir. Selfness.
From
Selfish.
your start, you are selfish. It means
No, sir. That's
if you are not selfish, how can you remove selfishness from inside?
sir. One time become a successful person to thought, and you can uh, to gain a selfishness.
Okay, once people become successful,
To
they become selfish as well.
yes, sir.
So you feel that if you are gonna become successful and you become selfish,
Yes, sir.
you will remove selfishness.
Yes.
Okay, how will you remove it?
Uh, I will try, sir. I will try to. I will try to make. I will try to any. I will try to make a person. I will try to help any person with
Okay.
need money, food, and anything.
Okay, you can start from me. I need lots of money.
Yeah.
Okay, so who is your best buddy here? As you come in this class almost every day, although you are not regular, but do you have any friend here with whom you talk when I'm not here?
Yes, sir. Many friends. Sir.
Many friends. So you talk to them in Hindi or English?
Sometime Hindi, sometime English.
Okay, that's sometimes around 90% Hindi,
No, sir.
10%
50, 50,
English.
50.
50-50.
50, 50.
Okay, only 50-50. Okay. So you know all of them?
Yes, sir.
What is his name? Sitting on the last seat.
Divesh.
He knows everybody, but he doesn't know his name. Divesh.
Divesh. I
No,
think.
it's wrong. His name is Divyansh.
Oh, I'm sorry. Divyansh.
Divyansh. Okay. So you are married or unmarried?
Unmarried.
So do you want to get married in future?
I don't think so.
Don't think so. He does not think so. Why? Why don't you want to get married? Because you are devotee of Balaji. Lord Hanuman was unmarried, so you will remain unmarried like him.
No, sir. No, sir.
That you will get married.
Yes.
Right?
But
How
at this,
happy he is.
but at this time, I don't know.
You don't know.
Yes, sir. I
It
don't
means you want to get married, but you are not sure that somebody will get married to you. Huh? He's not sure that any girl will get ready to marry him. He's confused. Okay, no problem. You can go for arranged marriage. Your parents will see a girl for you, and then they will force you to get married to her unknown person, and that unknown person will become known person to you very soon. Okay, let's jump to another question. Okay, do you also use mobile phone in your free time?
Yes, sir.
So, do you use it or you misuse it?
Use it.
Use it. What do you watch on mobile phones?
Sir, podcast
Podcast,
and biography,
biographies. Okay,
and sometime I watched comedy
comedy,
vlogs and videos.
vlogs, and videos. Do you also make vlogs?
No, sir.
Nowadays, lots of people have started their channel, like I did.
No, sir.
So you are not one of them. Okay, all right. Are you comfortable here?
Yes, sir.
I notice your leg. You are trying to pull them
No, sir.
under the table, under the seat, under the chair. Why? Why this collaborating?
No, sir. Just comfortable.
Good. So, do you have any ideal person?
Yes, sir.
Who is your ideal person?
My father,
Why do you think that he should be your ideal? He is your ideal.
because he is a hard person.
He's a hard person. Hard means you cannot inject him.
No, sir. It is a hard person. To
Okay. Strict. You want to say strict.
strict person.
Okay. He is a strict person.
Yes, sir.
फिर से बोलो.
He is a strict person.
Okay. So does he beat you?
And no, sir.
Not now, but when you were a small kid.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. He must have beaten you many times.
Yes, sir.
What kind of student? What kind of person you were? What kind of child you were? You were a naughty kid, or you were very simple and docile person?
Sir, I am simple.
You were docile. You were
Yes.
not naughty.
No, no, sir.
Okay, that's good. Very good. Okay, that's enough for today. Come on, clapping for Vishal. Very good.